This compact camper behind me here is one of the most affordable RVs you can get in all of the United States. Let's go take a look. Welcome back to another video, y'all. If you're new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and I'm here at Blue Compass RV in Austin, Texas today, taking a look at this 2024 Forest River Aurora 16 BHX. And this here is going to be a travel trailer RV that you can get into for under $100 a month. And that is our goal here, to help you get into an RV like this where you can have a really low monthly payment and try to get you a really good deal. So under $100 a month for this Aurora 16 BHX is where we're trying to get you at. And that is going to be one of the best prices you will find on an RV anywhere in the country for something new, to be able to get into something for under $100 a month. Now with this RV, this is an aluminum sided wood framed travel trailer. So down underneath here, you can see the wood framing under there. This is your pass-through storage compartment. So you can put all the stuff in there for storage. You have your 30 amp power cable there as well. And pretty simple and straightforward. Now with a travel trailer like this, obviously it is very simple and not going to have a whole lot of extras, but it is designed to get you out camping where you have AC, where you have a furnace, your own private bathroom, and can do things like bring your pets along with you to travel and stuff like that. So get out living life more and doing it more comfortably for extended periods of time with all the things that this offers. Like, the heat index is almost 110 degrees right now in Austin, Texas, and something like this will allow you to camp in this weather, where a tent would make that almost unbearable. I honestly couldn't even imagine. So that is what the purpose of something like this is. You have a 20-pound propane bottle up front here. That is going to be for your gas stove inside and for your furnace, and then you have a spot for your battery there. Manual tongue jack, and then it has manual stabilizers along the back behind the axles. No slide outs on this travel trailer, so it's very simple, easy to get going and traveling, and with no slide outs and the compact size of this, very lightweight. So any modern half-ton truck can tow this. Things like a Chevy Colorado, Toyota Tacoma can also tow this, and a lot of SUVs can tow this. You have your dump stations right here for your bathroom and kitchen sink, so your black and gray tanks will all dump to that one spot. This will have an exposed underbelly, so all that really means is you don't want to tow this RV with water in the water tanks in below freezing temperatures, as that water can potentially freeze. But other than that, you are good to go. You can, even if you want to camp in freezing temperatures, you just don't want to use the water sources on here, you could bring like containers of water and things like that. But most people are not camping in below freezing temperatures anyways. Water connections here to fill your fresh water tank, and then you have your water heater there. Last thing, let me look at the exact specs on this travel trailer if I can find it. It's a BAL next gen frame, so all American made steel, and they're using huck bolts on this frame in a lot of spots where you might traditionally see a weld, as a huck bolt is stronger than welds. So love that. 19 feet 6 inches, only 3,046 pounds, and then it has a cargo carrying capacity of 1,333 pounds. So very lightweight, fully loaded is gonna be under 4,500 pounds and very easy to manage. You can add a backup camera on the back so you can see things more clearly when you're backing up into your campsite, and you can get a retractable ladder to attach into the spot to get up onto the roof. Now, I didn't see solar up on the roof there. Oh, also latch right here to put your pets on. I didn't see solar up on the roof, but it does have solar connections right here by the battery compartment, plus a battery disconnect switch up there. So you should be able to get solar on this RV if you need it, but I think with most people, how they would camp in something like this, you may not find yourself needing solar. If you're wanting to fully run an RV completely off of solar and batteries, just keep in mind that is something that costs upwards of $10,000 to $20,000 for all the equipment you need to do that. So not really like a realistic expectation for most people to be running their entire RV off of solar, as that becomes very expensive. Now, it is extremely hot in Austin, Texas today, so I'm gonna show you everything you need to see, but I am going to do this tour a little bit differently, where like I'm not gonna get in the bed or the bunk beds and stuff like that, because I am sweating from head to toe and I don't wanna sweat all over this travel trailer. But if you appreciate my efforts to get in here and film these RVs no matter what the temperature is, definitely make sure you're subscribed to this channel, like the video, and come back for more. Okay, so right away when we walk in, now I do know this bed here is about 6'2", 6'3" in length. So I'm 6'2", and I can actually fully lay out across this, fully stretch out. I love that. Great bed size for 2 adults. And then underneath here, you have this little storage space. You have USB ports right there, and a USB Type-C connection for you new iPhone users and Android users. You have shelf up over the top here, and if you wanted to connect a TV can go right here mounted to this wall, so you can see it from bed. Window right here with some curtains. You have storage space up here and back through there. A little shelf right there as well, and then pull down black pleated shades on your windows. Again, outlets, USB ports here, and then underneath the sofa, you have some storage space down underneath there. This will lay down flat and make into another sleeping surface for you. And this is called a jackknife sofa. So this just flips up like so. Oh my gosh, y'all don't even know the struggle I'm having right now to not drip sweat off my face into anything because it is just so hot. Down underneath here, you have more storage access through there and magnets to hold this door in place. So you can see the magnets there and the magnets here. And then that just snaps right back on. Love that quick, easy access. That's nice. You have your JBL sound system controls right here, right when we walked in. Your controls for your lights, awning, water pump, and water heater here. And this will connect to your phone so you can control those from your phone. You have your AC unit up above your head here, and this is gonna blow air out of all 4 directions so it can keep your camper cool. And then you have your furnace down underneath here, your kitchen storage, 2-burner north to south facing gas stove, and that is a GE gas stove. Storage space up above here. You have a vent fan to vent out your smells while you are cooking. And then you have your GE microwave. Look at all this countertop space, y'all. This is a huge countertop space. Can easily fit an air fryer in here, a Instapot, a coffee maker, anything like that. So I love that. Also a pretty good sized fridge for this size RV. So nice big fridge size. Did it have a freezer portion in it? I couldn't tell. It doesn't look like it. So bring a cooler with ice for your items that need to be frozen. And then, or you can get a portable powered cooler that can also be a freezer as well. These bunks here are about 6 feet in length. You also have storage up underneath the bunk. So 2 additional sleeping spots here. And then you have USB ports on the sides of the bunks and a light for each bunk. And then finally, you have your bathroom back here. You have a plastic foot flush toilet. You have a mirror so you can see how you look for your day. Make sure that you look good sitting around the campfire. Shelf there, outlet up there, spot to hang towels, and then a absolutely huge, I mean, they prioritize the shower floor space in here over the regular floor space, as the base of this shower is just massive for this size travel trailer, bigger than any other that I have seen. Now, ceiling height in here is not great. If you are over 5'10", your head is going to hit the ceiling here. And if you're over like 6 foot, 6'1", you're gonna be taller than even the vent fan area. So I actually have to duck down a little bit to fit into the shower space, but that's kind of expected for this size RV, as this is about the smallest profile RV that you are going to see for a travel trailer, other than like a little teardrop that doesn't even have a bathroom. And then that is about it, y'all. I mean, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Like I said, it's designed to get you out camping with AC, with a furnace, with your own bed and 4 walls and a private bathroom and a full kitchen inside at a very, very reasonable price. Now, again, here at Blue Compass, there's a link down below in the comments and description where you can find all of the different locations across the United States where we sell this RV or something similar to it. But we do carry these at all of the Blue Compass stores, and we have over 100 different stores in 33 different states, so that link down below will help you find where you can find a camper like this. And like I said, it is our goal to get you in a camper like this under $100 a month. So when you are ready, we are here to help you out. Now, that's all I got for y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Go check that link out down below when you're ready to get your next RV. And until next time, live firmly unbound.